Welcome to Marvels Made Simple, where we unravel the mysteries behind everyday creations. In this episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of papermaking from pulp to page. Discover the art behind this essential material. Paper, a ubiquitous material we encounter daily, yet its creation remains a marvel of human ingenuity. Let's embark on a journey to understand how this versatile substance is made. The process of papermaking begins with the humble pulp, derived from various sources such as wood, recycled paper, or even agricultural waste. These raw materials undergo a series of transformations to become the sheets of paper we use for writing, printing, and packaging. In the first step of papermaking, logs of wood are harvested from sustainably managed forests, or recycled paper is collected from recycling centers. The logs are debarked and chipped into small pieces, while recycled paper is sorted and pulped to break it down into fibers. Next, the pulp undergoes a pulping process, where it is mixed with water and chemicals to break down the fibers further. This mixture is heated and agitated in large vats, resulting in a slurry of fiber pulp suspended in water. The slurry is then pumped onto a continuous wire mesh screen, where the water drains away, leaving behind a thin layer of wet pulp. As the water drains, the fibers begin to bond together, forming a cohesive sheet of paper. The wet paper sheet is transferred to a series of press rollers, which squeeze out excess water and compress the fibers to enhance strength and smoothness. Finally, the paper is dried using a combination of heated rollers and air drying techniques, ensuring it retains its desired properties. Once dry, the paper undergoes additional processing steps, such as calendaring to improve its surface finish and sizing to control its absorbency. It may also be cut, folded, or coated with special finishes, depending on its intended use. And there you have it, the journey from pulp to page, a testament to the intricate process behind something as simple as a sheet of paper. Next time you jot down a note or flip through the pages of a book, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into each piece. Thanks for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of papermaking. Be sure to subscribe to Marvels Made Simple for more fascinating insights into the everyday marvels that surround us. Until next time, stay curious.